Hello viewers, welcome to electricalallbd channel. In this video of mine you will see LSMI push bottom introduction of ABB Rej601 relay. This relay push bottom introduction, key picture, key name and description. This is ABB used for incrementing of parameter value while editing or pre-video up level selection of menu it. This is down K used for decrementing of parameter value while editing or pre-video down level selection of menu item. This is back K used for going to higher level of menu item from its lower level sub menu. This is next K used for going to lower level sub menu from higher level menu. This is enter K description used for saving of edited parameter volume. This is relay escape and cancel K. A used for discarding changed parameter value in edit mode. B used for going back to main menu from any level of menu navigation. Second passing ESC will lead to default view. This is relay reset K description. Press K combination up and enter K together to reset the relay from LSMIS wheel to reset trip LEDs. Edit K. Press K enter to edit the relay parameter from LSMI. This is relay finishing push bottom introduction.